Are you looking for the best mini drones with cameras? Then watch this video. We have compiled a list of the top 6 mini drones with cameras. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the cost and other details. Let's begin the video right now without further delay. Number 1. The Sima X5C is a highly stable pilot with good agility and dynamic flight performance. This drone is enjoyable to fly and was made well. While flying, this drone is quieter than most. No cables protrude from the bottom enclosed battery bay. The X5C1 also includes an extra set of propellers, a 500 mAh 3.7 volt battery with a USB charger, a screwdriver, a transmitter, a micro SD card reader, a 4GB SD card, and a handbook. You can fly for 8 minutes on one battery charge. Your flying time will be reduced to around 5 minutes if you keep the prop protectors on and frequently use the camera. The typical low speed and high speed settings are provided. Low speed mode makes flying the drone simpler and is ideal for new pilots learning the basics. Flyers with experience can choose the high mode, which accelerates the speed. A button push will also cause you to flip. The inbuilt camera produces photographs and movies in 720 pixel resolution and 2 megapixels. Even though the drone is less expensive, it still produces good pictures and movies. This drone will take a few crashes while you are learning to fly it without suffering any harm. Number 2. Due to the additional features not typically seen on low-cost drones, this Holy Stone drone is one of the best micro drones with camera. Due to its sophisticated features, this drone will also satisfy seasoned pilots. This drone comes with an extra battery, so you may fly it for longer. It's a good idea to keep an additional battery on hand because it does take the battery about 90 minutes to recharge. Relevant drone telemetry including range, trim settings, and battery life are displayed on the LCD screen. Keep a close check on the battery level, which is displayed on screen as a percentage. Pushing a button will return the drone to your location. Cheap small drones typically do not have this feature. The 2 megapixel camera captures video at a resolution of 720p and pictures at 1280 x 720. Since the Holy Stone drone is mostly intended for novices, you might want to choose another option if you're seeking for a high-quality photo drone. The videos will have some jitter, but the pictures are of reasonable quality. Number 3. Due to its flexible plastic body, the DBPOWERX400W boasts good build quality and durability. The possibility of injury to people or property is eliminated by the prop guards. An attractive and modern design is created by the red highlights on a white background. You will be amazed with this drone's flight dynamics and how nicely it behaves while in the air. This drone can flip quickly and climb vertically, as you'll discover. Even in windy conditions, the sophisticated flight computer and 6-axis gyros maintain stability. You can watch the FPV live feed when your controller connects to your drone using a local Wi-Fi connection. You can take pictures or movies with your smartphone by using the iOS and Android app. The HD 720p camera produces excellent images and photos. Despite the poor photo quality, this drone is designed for immersive first-person viewing flight. Another option is to utilize a VR headset that supports 3D. This is a wonderful option if you want to start FPV flying but don't want to invest a lot of money. Number 4. Numerous features are crammed into the diminutive form of the DJI Spark. However, although the props can be stored inside the body, the arms cannot. This drone's stubby rubbery feet serve as landing gear replacements to soften impacts. The Spark is built well, which is not surprising given that DJI produces high-quality drones. This drone is incredibly durable because the majority of the fuselage was molded from a single piece of solid plastic. This drone may be controlled without a conventional controller by hand gestures. The drone scans your face to identify you before taking off from the palm of your hand. You may get the drone to move aside and take a selfie of you by making certain movements. By giving someone else the reins, you may enjoy yourself with your pals. Flying this drone indoors is enjoyable as well. This drone has simple controls, a small size, and a reasonable price. Although gesture control does require some skill to master, it just takes a few tries to get it properly. If you want to extend the fun of flying, you need get a couple extra batteries. For stable, high-quality photos, a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization are used. Vibrations brought on by windy situations are mostly eliminated by this stabilizing. Number 5. An excellent example of technology combined with a stylish design is the Parrot Airborne Cargo Mini Drone. This drone also comes with a wealth of cutting-edge functions. This drone is excellent for flying both inside and outside. You use your smartphone as the controller because this drone doesn't come with one. This drone features several flying sensors, which are often found on larger drones, but which are packaged and used in a compact form. The drone's movement and rotation are measured and examined by a sophisticated 3-axis gyroscope and accelerometer. In order to facilitate stable and streamlined flight, This information is transmitted into the flight control system. The flight time of this quadcopter is 9 minutes, and the battery recharges in around an hour. At the touch of a button, this drone can do precise and accurate stunts at a top flight speed of 5 meters per second. The drone also contains a downward pointing camera that records photos at a frame per second rate of 16 to gauge the drone's speed. This drone is incredibly entertaining to fly and is loaded with cutting-edge functionality. It's ideal for someone on a budget who wants a miniature drone for photography. Number 6. With a 13-megapixel camera that produces high-quality photos and 1080 pixel video at 30 frames per second, this selfie Dobby drone has an extremely portable design. To operate this drone, utilize an iOS or Android smartphone app. Additionally, it is compact enough to put in a bag or backpack. A Qualcomm Snapdragon CPU, fueled by a 970 mAh battery, manages the onboard processing. The optical and ultrasonic sensors on the drone's bottom help to stabilize the Dobby's flight. For the ideal shot, you can place the camera in 6 different ways. The electronic picture stabilization smooths out any jerky flight motions. The 16 GB internal memory serves as a temporary storage space for the pictures and movies you take before they are downloaded to your smartphone. If you're searching for a drone for taking selfies, the Dobby is a fantastic option. Though the battery life could be extended, the flight performance and steadiness are remarkable. The Dobby's size and price in comparison to other drones make the trade-offs worthwhile. I have nothing further to add. I make useful videos every day, so kindly become a channel subscriber. Because of this, I would appreciate it if you did. Read my description if you want to get additional information about the item's price. Please leave a comment if you encounter any difficulties. Keep up with our cutting-edge videos because it will simplify your life considerably.